Trafod i Caerfyrddin, Sheehan. Swindlest nôl teg at Sheehan. Ac yn rhyddhau Aidan O'Kelly ar y chwith. Digon o le ganddo fo. Teg at Liam Thomas. Sut yn y byd fethodd y capten hwnna. O fedar Aidan O'Kelly ddim gwneud mwy na nath o groesiad yn wych. Liam Thomas yn cydnabod hynny. Ond yn methu gol agored. Not. I Vincent. Y tro cyntaf tuag at y cwrt Cosby. Griffiths. O Morgan yn cymryd drosodd. O mae'n syrthio tuag at Liam Thomas unwaith eto arbediad da gan Will Fuller y tro yma. Yn yr ail hanner parhau yn ddi-sgôr. O Sheehan yn methu ar rheoli'r bêl. Owen i Evans ac Evans a draws i Kyle McCarthy. Digonedd o le o'i flaen. Ac yn penderfynu mynd y hun arbediad da gan Itzi. 78 o funudau wedi mynd, Caerfyrddin i'r ymwelwyr, Barnett, Evans, Clayton Green, gol i rwyd y hun gan Green, ac am gol oedd hi hefyd. Wel, anlwcus a dweud y llia, Green yn trio i chlirio hi, ond i gefn yr hwy dath i dogyn Lee Itzi, ddim gobaith o gwbl, ac mae'r ymwelwyr ar y blaen. Corneli Caerfyrddin dal i drio chwilio am ffordd nôl i fewn i'r gêm. Liam Thomas yng nghanol. Haid ochr i wyr a Liam Thomas eto. Ond ydy'n dros y linell medda'r dyfarnwr. Peniad Liam Thomas yn taro ar amddiffynwyr. Yn dod yn ôl i Liam Thomas. Ond yn mynd oddi ar y linell gan Rhydia Morgan. Howell yn ei chicio hi lawr y cae tuag at Rhys Thomas. O, mae o'n gynt a Jordan Knott. O, tacl dda gan Knott. O, mae'r dyfarnwr yn chwythu am gic o'r smotin i Met Caerdydd. O, penderfyniad dadleuol arall. Roedd hi'n idrach yn dacl dda gan Jordan Knott ac yn sicr mi oedd hi. McCarthy felly'n erbyn Itzi. McCarthy gefn yr hwyd. Y bêl yn mynd i'n ffordd. Lee Itzi mynd y ffordd arall. Ac mae'r fuddugoliaeth yn saff rwan.
Yeah, it wasn't the most impressive game to look at. We tried to stamp our authority on the game, and in parts we did that. But it's Carmarthen are an organised side, they're a big physical side, and they do what they can and best, and they look to spoil. So it's always tough. So you have to win your battles first, and we were resolute. We did that, and we always speak about keeping a clean sheet wins you the game, and that's exactly what's happened today.
Mae'n anodd i fi a dweud pethau ffyrniadol am y chwaraewyr, am yr ysbryd, am popeth, am y safon o ffitrwydd, ac yn y blaen, ac yn y blaen. Mae'n hawdd i fi i dweud pethau ffyrniadol am y dyfanol ac assistant dyfanol, achos 2 KMI, dwi'n meddwl, key match incidents, ond mae'n werth i fi siarad am yr instance in Saesneg, achos my ball over the line and never a penalty. But os dwi'n dweud pethau ffyrniadol am y dyfanol ac assistant referee ac yn y blaen, unwaith eto, mewn yr FAW, codi arian, does dim pwynt. Ac felly, mae rhaid i fi dweud dim byd, achos does dim pwynt o gwbl i dweud pethau ffyrniadol am y dyfanol o gwbl.
We've been on a bit of a tough run, yet we've only finished 3 points off second. So the gap has closed, and I'm sure ourselves, Kevin Druids, and congratulations to them for getting into the top 6. They'll have something to say about it, and Bangor and Bala and Konski obviously will be chasing to hunt down TNS, but we're happy. We've set some really important targets this year for development-wise, and we've done that, and we're very pleased.
Talking about targets, there's got to be that one big target next week. That's good preparation for that, surely.
Yeah, we were disappointed after we beat Newtown in the semi-final. Our performance was very good. We've not really spoke about it with the injuries, but it's time this week now we can kind of celebrate going into a final. It's an extra game. It's something that probably people don't expect us to win. However, we look at it as getting the players back from fitness, and it's a day out to make sure that we show Welsh football that Cardiff Met can compete against TNS and hopefully we'll win the cup.
Mae rhaid i ni ennill 7 gemau ac 10 i aros mewn y cynrail. Mae tasg yn syml iawn. Ennill 7 gemau ac 10. Ond gobeithio mae dyfanol yn cael y penderfyniadau yn cywir.